Switzerland 2023, day one, I went to Lauterbrunnen, Mürren, Gimmelwald, hiked up Lauderdale to see a crazy mountainscape. Day two, we scaled the insane ridges of Alpstein. Then we went deep into the mountains exploring glacier pools, waterfalls. We saw our old friend the Metalhorn. Then I trekked all the way to the Fluhop Hotel to see a panoramic view of the mountains, and then waking up to capture a stunning sunrise at the Stellasee Lake. On our final day, right at the foothill of the Matterhorn to take in the last sunset of the trip, closing an amazing week with amazing experiences, meeting amazing people from the hostels and the Airbnbs and the hotels, and memories I'll for sure have with me for the rest of my life.
Look now, there's more to see. See how I used to be.
All right, well, we're at the airport. Unfortunately, the journey has started with disaster. I missed my connection, my bag got pulled, I got totally lost, but luckily I'm here. So I missed my flight because of weather, Florida weather. I got a flight in about 4 hours, so I got the whole airport just to kind of explore. Gonna get some organic coffee, maybe a mocha, maybe a chocolate croissant, and we'll just see how it goes. But luckily the bags fit on Norse. I had to smooth talk them just a little bit because this one was too heavy and too big. I had to crunch down my backpack for it to fit into a little folder, but I got it somehow, so at least that's good. At least I got on the plane. Just a little bit less time in Lauterbrunnen, which sucks, but you know, I have a whole day there tomorrow. So tonight we'll basically just be getting there, getting some supplies, and making it to the hostel. So let's go get some coffee. Found this nice little coffee and pastry place, Pret. And because I got tons of time to kill, I'm gonna have to get creative with filming. You know, you've seen thousands of vloggers film. Have you seen them film with a mobile gimbal on them? You see that little Osmo buddy? I don't know if it's gonna be any help, but it's good to have. I'm getting a lot of eyes. A lot of people are staring at me for it. It's like a little robot buddy. But we're gonna go into this, oh, it's not Pret, oh, it is. Yeah, organic coffee, good food. We're gonna give it a go. I haven't had a mocha in like 4.5 months. Oh, you're first if you wanna go ahead, yeah. It's always good to be nice to the locals. He was there first, I let him go. My reward will be in heaven. I just noticed that tons of people are looking at me talking to myself. They don't know that there's a little camera hidden right there. Hi there. Can I have a mocha and a chocolate croissant? Takeaway. Thank you very much. Thank you, you as well. All right, mocha secured. All right, time to go downstairs, do some exploring. I'm still hungry and I just got a pastry, so maybe I should actually find breakfast. Maybe a full English breakfast. We'll see. All right, now we're gonna get some breakfast. I found this place called the Jupiter Co. They have a full English breakfast, kind of. So we're gonna try it out. I'm starving, so let's go check it out. Hi there, how are you? Got an English breakfast hot tea and a full English breakfast, so. It's probably good because I didn't eat anything on Sunday, which was yesterday or today. I can't really remember. So get my energy ready because I'm hiking like in a few hours. So I gotta have that energy in me. Also, big old pot of sugar. All right, consider yourself very lucky. You get to witness a professional showing you the proper English breakfast tea etiquette. So, I know to the average eye this can be very confusing. I mean, there's a little cup, there's a normal cup, there's a little pot for one. Don't worry, I'll walk you through it. So obviously you're gonna want to go with your tea first. Finger on the spittle. You just gentle pour. Raise it to your liking. I like kind of a 4-inch pour. Lower it to finish the job. Now a lot of people would add the cream at this point. No. No. You don't want to cool off the tea before you add the sugar. I'm a 1 sugar cube kind of guy. Boop. Now this is important. When you stir the sucker, you better not touch the edge. If you touch the edge, oh my goodness. As you can see, a beautiful, nice, consistent stir. And that sugar is melting right in there. Now at this point, I think it's safe to add the cream. I like a slow pour. Boom, 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 boom. That's it. Game over. And that swirl kind of just takes it all the way in, and boom, we have a perfectly incorporated tea. I'm gonna give it a few more stirs. That sugar cube's now 100% melted. I'm so tired. I am really just dead. Yeah, might get a few more hours of sleep on the next flight, especially with all this food in me. Oh, all right, let's give it a taste. In this area, you actually take the thing with you, the plate with you. Wow, that is divine. Keep on staring. Yeah, I got a camera, and I'm sipping tea. Yeah, it looks like I'm talking to myself. I'm not. I'm talking to whoever watches the video, which is mostly me. I just love watching my own videos. Is that narcissistic? Maybe. Maybe some more people should just watch it. Then I'm less narcissistic. Just watch my videos, people. They're helpful. They teach you about pastries and tea. All right. No, I think I'm fine. Thank you very much. All right, so here we are with a full English breakfast. For those of you who don't know, it actually has beans with the breakfast. And let me tell you, when I first had them, I was super freaked out. And I was like, what? No, beans breakfast? No. Now I can't get away from them. All right. Okay. So the next thing we have to do is purchase our Swiss travel pass. I did this last year, extremely helpful, saves a ton of money. There's a few options. You can do like a flex pass, which I think you can like choose the days to use it and then like not use it. Half fare, which is like all your trains are half off, or just the travel pass, where all your main trains are free. Well, not free, but you know, you buy the pass and you don't have to pay for them. And then you get like half off on the mountain trains, half off on the gondolas, some of like the excursion, you know, not just your normal travel trains. But the best part is, you know, you download it, you put it in the app, and it just gives you a barcode. So you don't have to go in and buy tickets. You just walk on the train and scan the code. So it saves a ton of time, and it makes it a lot easier. So the one I'm getting is $250 or euros or whatever, but that's gonna save me a ton of money in the long run because the train I'm taking today alone is $90, and then the one tomorrow is another $80, and then anything in between, like all the little gondolas. So it seems like you're spending a lot, but you're saving a ton of money. Another thing is, it's saying that my flight takes off at 12, but they don't give me the gate till 11:44. I just realized that. That's not good, so I gotta figure out what's going on. That gives me 15 minutes to get there. Yeah, everything's falling apart. Gonna have to switch to the phone cam because I'm on the run. Very confusing finding the train. A dude helped me get it. I've like 6 changes, so it's gonna be pretty stressful. But we're about to hop on. All right. Just made it. Just barely made it. Ouch. Looks like I got the whole cabin to myself. I'm on this train for about 3 hours. My next stop, I'm switching. So actually, I'm only on here for about another hour and a half. Switching to Bern. Then I got 4 other switches. So it's a long train. And then I'm in Lauterbrunnen. Here's the problem though. I get to Lauterbrunnen like 10 minutes before the last tram to Muren ends. So I have to get to Lauterbrunnen, run to the tram, take a gondola, then a little milk carton. And then all the other grocery stores are closed. So I have no groceries no supplies for the hike tomorrow. So we're gonna see what happens. France. All right, so here's the situation. I arrive in Lauterbrunnen at 8 p.m. or around 8 p.m. And the last train, little trolley gondola to Murin, which is where I'm staying, is at 8:15, 8:30. So I have to arrive at Lauterbrunnen, run to the gondola, take a tram, and then walk to Gimmelwald, because I'm actually staying in Gimmelwald. But that's gonna be tough, and all the restaurants are gonna be closed. All the grocery stores are gonna be closed, so I have no supplies for the hike. So what I'm gonna do is just reuse this bottle forever. Luckily, I thought, I might want to get some protein bars, so I got 3 weird protein bars, so that is my fuel for tomorrow. We'll see how it goes. Maybe I won't do the whole hike, maybe I'll just do a little bit, turn back, so I can still get some views in Lauterbrunnen. But we'll have to see. There's no real planning here, it all just it's gonna happen. So yeah. All right, I made it to Lauterbrunnen, finally, after like 1,000 hours of traveling. Super beautiful, much clearer than last time I was here. Already out of breath though. And now it's time to take the gondola up there.